Hi friends, this is Yojna Jain back with the series of performance testing. We have multiple type of performance testing like stress testing, reliability testing, scalability testing, endurance testing, volume testing, capacity testing, recovery testing and load testing. In this video, we are going with the load testing and the stress testing as these are the main backbone of every system. Let's focus on the load testing first. Load testing is to define the system capacity. What exactly system or server is capable of. Think about it. We want our system to be handle 500 requests per second. Then we need to send 500 requests per second to the server and identify the response time, average response time and throughput so that we can find out what exactly our system is capable of. As a result, we need to make sure that our server or system is working perfectly in normal traffic. On top of it, stress testing is more than the load testing. Whatever the breaking point of our server or system, we need to identify that. Think about a scenario, same scenario. Our server is able to handle 500 requests per second, then we need to send 1000 requests, 2000 requests per second and note down the response time, server downtime and everything. This will help us to find out what exactly we are able to handle with our server capacity. Like we are having the recovery scenarios or other handling scenarios available with our servers. Focus is especially on stress testing is about to find out the robustness, stability and excessive stress conditions, how behavior of our system is. Let's summarize both of them so that you are more clear with load testing and stress testing. Load testing is with a expected load like 500 requests, what our server can handle it. The main point is response time should not be more than 2 seconds so that user experience doesn't downgrade. Where stress testing is about to find out the max capacity, what our max capacity of our servers to handle the proper users load on our system. Like you have sent a 2000, will the response time increase or decrease or system will throw the 500 or something like that we need to check it. Second goal, the goal is of load testing is to set the performance benchmark, where goal of stress testing to find out the failure points and provide the recovery ability at that time. Third one is the outcome of load testing and stress testing. Outcome of load testing is like optimize our system, our server for the typical set users, like 500 users. But for 500 users, it should work perfectly. It should not break anywhere. But stress testing, we need to prepare for the recovery and system crashes. Hope you understood the difference between load testing and stress testing. We will meet again in the next video tomorrow at the same time. Thank you so much guys. Please subscribe.